Hey, in this video, we're going to cover how do you know that you're logged into the website. As you can tell, I've just logged into my Managed WordPress website. It says my name on the top left-hand side here, my KWall. I can click on Visit Website. On the top right-hand side, it says Howdy, my KWall. I'm logged in. But how do I know that though? Because I can see the back end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how the front end looks like. So we're going to go visit the web page. And I'm going to do that by hovering my mouse over the top left-hand side where it says my KWall. And I'm going to click on Visit Site. It's going to now start loading the front of the website. So it's going to show me the actual web page of the homepage. When that happens, and when I see this, I know that I'm still logged in because I can see this big black bar at the very top of the page. Do you see this big banner or this big black bar here? It scrolls across the entire page. On the top left-hand side, there's a little WordPress W next to my name, my KWall, customize, a bunch of buttons here, edit page, edit with Elementor. And on the top right-hand side, it says edit with my KWall. When you see this, you know that you're still logged in. Your website visitors will not be able to see this. The only people who can see this website bar are the people who log in. So these are your administrators, your designers, your web developers, or anyone else you give access to the backend to log in and see your website. If you want to return back to where we were, where we started from, all you have to do is hover over your name on the top left-hand side and click on Dashboard, and this will take us right back to the backend where the architecture of your website exists. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I look forward to you watching other videos. And if you have any comments or questions or concerns, follow up with your account manager, and they'll be sure to answer any questions you may have. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.